Hi guys, just wanted to let you know about a YouTube channel. I've mentioned him before, but some of you guys are obviously new, so you may not be aware of this guy. Channel name is The Mechanic, run by Jonathan. He used to be an automotive technician. He does something else now. I think he's apprenticing in gynecology or something like that. But anyways, he he goes above and beyond for his YouTube followers. He made this awesome video, which you can see behind me here, about checking and servicing the serpentine belt or serpentine belt on a Nissan Versa, which he owns and drives, operates, etc. But one of his viewers has the same vehicle and asked him a question. And he totally went out and made this professional video. I mean, I can't believe it in how much detail he dives into with this video. So, and then also camera angles, you know, top notch. Mainly though, he focuses on my YouTube logo in the background. You'll see it when you watch the video, but because I jokingly brought that topic up a while ago. My logo was not in focus, so he did a good job this time around. But anyways, he puts out some awesome content. You guys definitely have to check him out if you're not familiar with The Mechanic. Thanks for watching.
Sorted.